Hi everyone, we are from 10th grade. Today we are here to present an activity related to magnesium react with oxygen.
Reaction of magnesium with air. Materials required: pair of tongs, magnesium ribbon, matchbox, spirit lamp, china dish.
Take 2 centimeters of magnesium ribbon and hold with a pair of tongs at one end and burn with a spirit lamp.
We can observe that magnesium burns with a dazzling white flame. Take that magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Take that powder in a china dish.
Here in conclusion we can find that magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide and metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Thank you all.